Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi Pad, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this XIAOMI. First of all, you need to find calendar app, and when you find it, click on it. Then, if you never used it before, tap on this icon at the bottom right corner and choose Got it. Now, in order to continue, tap on the date that you wish to set up. In my case, that one. Now you can create your event by tapping over here twice, or select this plus icon at the bottom right corner and tap on event over here. Either way, now you can adjust it however you wish to. For example, add a title. You can also pick starting hour and ending one. If you don't need to do that, you can disable this feature completely by tapping on this sweater next to all day. Then click on Does Not Repeat and select one of those options if you want your event to repeat, like every year. You can also tap on Custom and adjust this option however you wish to. Then save your changes by tapping on Done at the top right corner. After that, you can scroll down, add people, videos, and even choose Add Location. Then select while using the app or only this time, type in an address and click on the correct result. You can also set up notifications minutes, hours, or weeks before, or just tap on Custom and adjust it. I will go with 2 days before. Finally, change color of your event for it to stand out more. Add attachments, take some notes, and tap on Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my event was successfully created. In order to edit it, click on it, tap on this pen icon at the top right corner, and make your changes. Now you can discard them by clicking on this X at the top left corner, or save them by choosing Save at the top right one. If you wish to delete your event though, click on it again, but this time select those 3 dots at the top right corner, click on Delete at the top, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!